The question is, how long does the length of the pendulum have to be to have a period of 5 seconds? So we're going to start out with the equation from our textbook. The period of a pendulum is 2 pi over the square root of g, and we know g is the acceleration of gravity, 9.8 meters per second squared, and we multiply that by the square root of the length. So I'm just going to plug in 5 for the period and 9.8 for g, and that's what this equation is. Now I multiply both sides by the square root of 9.8, and I divide both sides by 2 pi. And I don't want the square root of the length, I'm trying to find the length. So I'm going to square both sides to get rid of the square root, and that's the equation I have here. And punching those numbers into my calculator, I get 6.21 meters is the length of the pendulum. So pretty long, a very long pendulum to get a period of 5 seconds.